Hey guys, happy Memorial Day! And what we do on Memorial Day is to remember our veterans who fought in the world, the war and died. And what we're gonna do is make pizza and watch random stuff on the History Channel. There's these little dogs. Hi, mouse. Hi, little Minnie Mouse. You're so pretty. I do want to say Happy Memorial Day. Would you stop? Can you do it in peace? Yeah, she's not in peace. Yesterday is when we went to Walmart and we got some loads of crap. And what we got was pizza. We got some cheese, string cheese, and we got a whole bunch of yogurts. And we also have breadsticks, which is in the other freezer, so we're gonna get them real quick. This is the pizza that we're going to have, and it's so good. And all we're gonna need is the breadsticks, and we have to put the pizza in, so we're quick. We also got some pizza sauce for the breadsticks, because of course we're gonna need that for the breadsticks, so the breadsticks don't taste dull. Okay, this is kind of burnt. We got a big, fat, juicy
bombastic side eye.
Quick, before I show you guys anything else, I have this drawbrick right here that I've been trying to finish for the last 2 days, and this is my progress. Yeah, I'm almost done with this, so I'll show you guys in a few days of what this will look like, and yeah. Is the pizza. So that's what it looks like, so scrumptious, yummy. Welcome to my kitchen. So right here is what my pizza looks like. Out and see how it tastes. It looks so good, so let's go. Nom nom nom. This is actually so good. But there's one more thing that I need, and that is to wash it down. But at least I got one more thing. So let me just show you guys that one more thing. Right here I got a package, and I cannot wait to unbox it. So let's that. So it says, welcome. Drink more. You can't even see it, but who cares? And we're gonna pour. Is there anything in this? No? Okay, that's okay. What is in this envelope? A cleaning cloth. What's in this cleaning cloth? Cloth. Just a cleaning cloth. Cool. And this is the, oh, well, there goes that. Soda maker. And we're going to make a soda with it. So, BRB. I only put a little bit of water so I can do this. So, good. So, that's going to be it for our Memorial Day. Well, it's not really a vlog because I don't really do vlogs on this channel. But that's it. And, yeah.